about to go back to H&M to see if they have the bigger size green, and then I'm gonna go to Primark because y'all know that's my store. So I'm gonna take y'all along the way. The medium. So I didn't think I was gonna go thrift shopping, but here we are about to go thrift shopping because I'm gonna take y'all thrift shopping. Okay. So let's do it. We're not looking for much. We're just gonna see what they got to offer. We're actually like window shopping. So let's see. These are so freaking cute. They're $6.99. Max will love these. I'm trying to lock my car. Make sure my car is locked. Oh, hello. That's cute. Karen Scott. There's too many white people. They always have some cute boots. Look at these. These are some interesting boots. Let me see what size. They're size 7. Originally $59.99. But these are interesting. I think I would get these if they were in my size. They're cute. What y'all think? 7.5. Y'all, this is a pretty jacket. It's almost like it's $9.99 and it opens right here. I'm gonna have to try this on. Trying to see if it has a brand. It's cute though. So y'all, this is how it looks. But it's too big for me. But it's super cute. It's very unique. Yeah, this is unique. I can't deny it. Mink out. They got the mink, the purple mink. My pants are falling down. Yeah, they got the mink on. What y'all think about the mink? Yay or nay? $32.99. Wind licked. Yeah, my grandma probably got one of these in her closet. Let's try it on though. See how much this one is. This is $14.99. I wonder if this is genuine leather. Okay, let's try this one on. Let's try it on, guys. Oh y'all, it's cute. It's real cute. Now that I put it on, I don't have a jacket like this either. This is super cute. It's $14.99. What y'all think? This is cute, y'all. This is cute. Is it $14.99 cute though? It's fitting. I don't know, like I don't have anything like this in my closet. I think I'm gonna get it. What do y'all think? Should I get this? So I'm leaving. They had a whole lot of coats. I have definitely got to come back. I was thinking about getting the black jacket, but y'all, it don't get really hot. I mean, it doesn't get really cold where I stay, like really, really cold. So I think I'm gonna pass on it. So I'm back in the house. I switched my H&M. God, what was the girl name, Marcus? I'll link her name. I was watching her vlog and she had named the type of sub that she got from Publix. Y'all, Marcus went to go get this sub the next day and it was good. Oh, they tossed it too. What is it, Marcus? A chicken...
Buffalo chicken tender and honey.
Buffalo chicken tender honey. I think her name is... Gosh, what is her name? I can't remember, y'all. Chicken tenders and buffalo. It looks good. It looks really good.
Phenomenal, y'all. 10 out of 10.
So he's about to eat this. I'm actually about to fix my lunch.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
You have to tell us how it is, babe. Is it good? And then while I was, y'all, I did not shop at Publix at all. They messed up my baby cake last year, and I have not shopped here since. But Marcus wanted a sub, so I was like, I guess I can go. How's it? Is it good? Mm-hmm. And so then they have these vegan chocolate chip cookies. If you guys ever in Publix, these are really good. And then I went to Trader Joe's, y'all. I got some buns here. My baby loves these chicken sausage. So we normally make these like when he's about to go to school or in the weekend. So I stocked up on these. I got like 4. These are not even all. He will go through this bag. I got him some meatballs. I am gonna make me like a little cute little drink later on. Only took me 10 minutes to make my little po' boy sandwich here. I'm kind of heavy-handed on the seasoning, so I kind of dripped it with some honey. All right, let me eat, y'all. All right, guys, I'm back. Lunch was great. My po' boy shrimp sandwich was really good. But y'all, I just got these clear straws in from Amazon. I have to wash them, but I'm gonna try to start to make like little cute drinks. It all came about when I was in Jamaica. Two of the bartenders, they say that they like juice a lot. They try to make like different juice every day or every other day, and they were like doing the juices. The juice that we had, I think my sister, she had, I think it was ginger and watermelon and something else. So I said, you know, I'm gonna start doing like some cute healthy drinks. Probably not every day, but like maybe like once a week I could probably juice and do some type of healthy juice. So I bought this these straws. And then also, let me show y'all. I went to the Dollar Tree, y'all, to get this cup here. It's been going on TikTok. It's super cute and it's heavy too. And I'm looking for the smaller one because I know my juice is not gonna be all the way up here. So I bought the clear straw so I can like sip it. So it could be like, oh, really cute. I'm still using my other glass, y'all, that I thrifted. See? Thrifting can come in handy, okay? So yeah, I can't wait to juice with you guys. It's gonna be super cute. We are at Value Thrift. All right, y'all, we're gonna check out the coat section. Looks like they're just putting them out. Save matting. Not nice. Okay, this one's cute. I'm gonna put it in the cart and try it on. This is like a small jacket. not bad. It's not. I don't know what y'all think. Can you see me? It kind of has like this little thing. I might could wear it with like a all brown suit. Let me see if I can. Okay, this is. It's different. I look at this. It's American Eagle coat. But look at this one right here. This one right here is kind of cute. I don't know. That kind of looks cheap. It's $12.99. Let me put it up right here. See if I can get the whole full effect. But it kind of looks cheap right here. But maybe if I put it on, it won't look as cheap. Okay, I'll put it in the basket to try it on. On these coats. So y'all can see me. Maybe I need to put y'all up a little bit. See, looks a little cheap. This right here. And this right here is not, yeah, this is not working out. This vest is $4.99. It's $4.99. Let's see how it looks. I don't know. Okay, it's different for sure. I don't know if I like it. I don't know, what do y'all think? The vest? I don't know why I like this. This is cute. It's $7.99. It's Aero Blue Jeans Company. I think this is like a man's because it says XLT. But it's a cute jacket. What y'all think? All right, let's see what I got. These are super cute. I wish they were taller. These are $9.99. They're not my size, so go to the shoe section. See what they have. This is the same store that I purchased those clocks, so hopefully I'll get lucky. These are different. I don't know if I like them, but they're different. They're really nice. Oh, these are some type of bowling shoes. Yeah, these are wide calf. They're cute though. But I'm gonna leave them. Cute purse was super cute. It's $9.99. Alright, y'all. So since my drill is charging, I'm gonna show y'all what I purchased from the thrift store for Max, because y'all, I do thrift for my baby. Okay, one thing mommy gonna do is save a buck. Okay, so I bought a bunch of things. What I typically try to do when he needs clothes, I try to start at each season and get all of his clothes for that season. And I am in fall winter now, so I'm trying to buy all of his clothes. He's currently in like 2T, 3T, 4T, so that is what I'm sticking to. And I like to just buy them all so I'm not shopping for additional things. He can recycle that until he can't wear it no more. So I started with this polo shirt, y'all. This was $3 and a really great condition. I think this is a 4T. Yeah, a 4T for $2.99. And then I bought him 2 of the jogging pants. He wears these to like daycare with some cute shoes. This one was $1.99. Well, this one was $2.99. It's Adidas. Get him a little nice Adidas jacket. They have them all the time. These are Nike ones. And these were $2.99 too. And then he's not into Paw Patrol, but this was a cute outfit for $6. It came with the pants here. Thought this was cute. And then, yeah, that's all I got for him at the thrift store. All right, I'm about to regroup, y'all, because the drill has threw me off. So I think I'm going to work on his room now that the drill is charging. So I'm trying to knock out everything, y'all. I'm trying to get it done. So let's do it. Let's do it.